again, I'm going to touch on the Swedish blackwood brush. This is synthetic fiber. This is very stiff. So even though it's a synthetic fiber, it's a Futura fiber, and this acts like a boar brush. It is very, very thick. When you start to use it, you're going to have some bristles release, and it will take some time to get the bristles to stop shedding. Like I said, you're going to need to do 4 or 5 shaves, and I recommend that you soak this brush. Even though it's synthetic, soaking it tends to loosen up the bristles a little bit. If you have sensitive skin, I don't recommend you do a face lather with this right out of the gate. I would break it in and do the bowl lather or what have you, hand lather, and then take it to the face. Don't go above the knot line. I would keep the level of the water below the knot line when you soak. And here is my old Swedish blackwood, and you can see from the top this is used, and this is mushroomed a little bit. The hairs have split out, and it doesn't shed anymore, and I like using it.